Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 25th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to check out a couple of more list properties. So the first one that we're going to check out is the list style position property, right? And as you can see, I have a file opened up in my text editor. It's called list2.html, and within the styles section I have applied a property to the UL element because I have an unordered list in my document. And then in the body section I also have an inline style rule that applies to the same unordered list. So uh, I've got some text about few Pink Floyd albums, Dark Side of the Moon, Wish You Were Here, and The Wall. Just copied some text from the internet, and this is how this document looks when I open it in Google Chrome, right? So I have a heading, my favorite Pink Floyd albums, and I have an unordered list. The title of the album is displayed in bold, and the rest of the text is plain and simple. So the first property that we're going to check out, as I said, is the list style position, and this takes two values, outside and inside. And by default the selection is outside, so we won't see any difference if I would put outside here as a value, but let me put inside. And I'll talk about the output in just a bit. I'll go to my browser and refresh the page, and there we go. We see that the bullet now is in line with the text, right? So the first word in the second line for the description of Dark Side of the Moon is recordings, and you can see that the indentation of this word is the same as the level of indentation used for the bullet, right? With outside you see that the bullet precedes the text, but with inside the bullet is at the same level of indentation as the text. So this is about the list style position. The second property that we're going to check out is uh, the image property, list style image property. And for this you can specify a URL of the image that you want to use as a bullet. So for unordered list in the last tutorial we checked out, we could have bullets, we could have square bullets, circular bullets, or the regular discs. So first of all I'm going to change this back to outside, so that the effect of the image is more prominent. And in the same folder as I have this file, I have a thumbnail, an image of the wallpaper for Dark Side of the Moon, right? And that was the album cover, the famous Prism, and it's called pink.jpg. so that's what I'm going to type in here. I'll save the file. Wait a second, it's jpg. I'll save the file, go to my browser, and I'll refresh the page. There we go. We see now that instead of the regular plain old bullets, we have a thumbnail kind of a thing, the album cover for Dark Side of the Moon. So these are the two properties I wanted to talk about in this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this one, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.